Happening today, several big cases are on tap for Vigo County Court. We're following 4 cases, including a murder case that will make its way back into the headlines. News 10's Kylie Thomas joins us now live in our newsroom with a preview.
That's right, Melissa. Dylan Morgan will be in court this morning. He's accused of shooting and killing another man. That victim is Gage Yoop. He died at a home on Cleveland Street last week. At first, Morgan was charged with reckless homicide, but prosecutors just changed that to murder. His hearing begins in just a few hours. Then later today, we expect Madonna Fulford to appear in court. That's for her sentencing. She struck a plea agreement with prosecutors just last month. She's going to plead guilty to obstruction of justice and assisting a criminal. So here's what she's accused of. Police say Fulford was riding in the car with someone who shot and killed Katie Nash. That happened January of 2017. If the judge accepts her plea deal, she will serve another 4.5 years on probation. That's not all we're covering in the courthouse today. The other 2 cases on the agenda, that's coming up in our next 30 minutes. Live in the newsroom, I'm Kylie Thomas, News 10.
Topping our news this half hour, we expect a busy day at the Vigo County Courthouse. We're following 4 cases in all. We broke down 2 cases in our last half hour. News 10's Kylie Thomas joins us now live in our newsroom to explain the others.
That's right, Melissa. One of the cases that we're following today, we broke right here on News 10 this morning a year ago. That's when Terre Haute police say Adam Moore led them on a chase. Get this, Moore actually topped 100 miles per hour. He ended up crashing on State Road 63 right behind the Honey Creek Mall. Moore's trial begins today. He faces 8 charges, including possession of meth, resisting law enforcement, and criminal recklessness. Now moving on to the final case we're following this morning, we're talking about former Vigo County Commissioner David Decker. He's been in and out of jail these past few months, and today is the step before a trial. Decker is facing drug charges. He's also charged with domestic battery and invasion of privacy. That's after a woman told a state trooper that Decker cut her, choked her, and tried to kill her. We're going to continue to follow these cases and let you know what happens later today, both on air and online. Live in our newsroom, I'm Kylie Thomas, News 10.